So people, this is how our dining table looks on a regular basis. I'm not actually ashamed of it because a part of this one and this Christmas. Oh, I love this. This is a typical. Let me flip up the camera so I make sure that I'm seeing what I'm showing. This is typical German Christmas decoration. I love it. Like if you put the candles, what I hope I will be doing, because then the warm wind goes up and it turns these propellers, and then you have the three kings with the gifts. Like that's why we have to give we buy ourselves some gifts at in the Christmas season. So on a normal basis, I will have, when we are having dinner or something, I will have this Christmas decoration going on. You can see this is my favorite, of course. Here it is. And yeah, and you have, is it Mary here or on the other side, and baby Jesus? This is Joseph and Mary. And yeah, so on a normal basis I have a better table. Now let me show you how those are the plates I'm going to be using. Take that out and turn you and show you the other. Ah! This is my life. And I promise this is actually only those three and are my decoration. And this is going to be what I want to be as a Christmas decoration. So I have this candle stand that I bought at Aldi. It was on promotion, like, and I already have all of them put with a blue candle. Somebody did it. It was not me. It was somebody called Bay, which I'm proud of. And yeah, I love this. I love everything wood. So sorry. I love this. This is the word for, in German, for Christmas, Weihnachten. So, and of course, in my normal life, it's already happened. And I did some homemade, what is it called? Almond candies. Like, I love them. Actually, just because I'm cheap. It was too expensive on the Christmas market. Like, I said I'm going to do it myself. And those are Lebkuchen, those kind of gingerbread with some hard oh, don't fall, please. I love you. Let me bite. And you see inside, there's jam. Oh, this one is so sweet. So I have this one in normal chocolate and in dark chocolate. So this is what is going to, I want to make a Christmas decoration. We are on Christmas Day, people, and I have no time. I bought this, of course, in bargain, and I thought I would hide the flowers with it. And last but not least, some stars to show that the Messiah is coming. And of course, I have the feeling they are going to be too big, but I have no alternative. Let's start decorating before food is already done. And yeah, I am on like a golden trip. So let's start. First thing is YouTube. too long. What is this? Like, I have no plan B, people. I have no plan B. I have no plan B. I wanted to put them in this. Oh. I am done, y'all. I finally made it. I couldn't find tissue, like tablecloths, or to eat with, like normal ones. So we are going to be using this, which is going to be behind the camera. I already shown you where all the candies are, so I'll just maybe. So this is going to be the tissue set, and the ring. I've hidden them in the decoration. Those are the glasses I could find. You can see I'm brave. It's not easy work. So I am on my golden trip. I don't really know why. So can I zoom in? Yeah. So that's it. Let me put you people up a little bit. So for your information, almost everything in this dining room is DIY. Like the table itself, I designed it. And see, what is it? It's just a counter. It's a kitchen countertop. We cut into two and bound it with this fruits we had got on Amazon. I sprayed them gold. Everything is like that. I sprayed them gold, and yeah, the chairs were drifted. And they were black. I did them white, and those flowers are actually like really cheap flowers from, I don't know, maybe it's Kick. Is I would say $1 store, and I bought it at one euro, and I had like 12 or 13 from them. I used almost or just one. The dining table lighting is a DIY project I did also myself. The lamp also drifted from an old woman. She was very happy that we were going to use it and not throw it away. And the plate, the sets, the table sets, I did it also myself to match everything. I'm not yet done. Maybe I'm going to do the curtain in that color, at least the two stripes left and right. I'm not yet sure, because we are still we are still doing a fixer upper. And I don't really know if I should have done these sets round instead of like square. I'm not yet sure. I still have some material. I might do it round. Actually the table can fit 8 people, but I'm just having 4. And it's enough work. And I hope I did the sets right. So let us do some slow-mo. Merry Christmas! Frohe Weihnachten, Joy Noel. Bon bon Christmas. Let me go and have a shower so you can eat. I hope you are enjoying Christmas with your loved ones. If not, I am with you and I'm sending you some warm thought for this love day called Christmas. Yeah!